Today, I'll show you how to refund money on PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Before starting, remember that refund steps depend on whether you are the seller giving money back or the buyer asking for money back. Let's start with refunding a payment you received. Go to Activity, find the payment you want to refund, tap or click the transaction to open the details. Now look for Issue a Refund. PayPal's current help guide says you can issue a full or partial refund from the transaction details by selecting Issue a Refund, entering the refund amount, reviewing it, and confirming the refund. PayPal also says refunds can usually be sent within 180 days of the original payment date. Enter the amount you want to return. If you want to refund the full payment, enter the full amount. If you only want to return part of the payment, enter the partial amount. Click Continue. Review the refund details carefully. Once you send a refund, PayPal says you cannot cancel it. If everything looks correct, click Issue Refund. The refund should be sent back to the buyer's original payment method. Now, if you are the buyer and you want to get a refund, go to Activity. Find the payment you want refunded. Open the transaction and use the seller's contact information to message them first. PayPal says buyers should contact the seller to request a refund for a completed payment. If the seller refunds you, the money goes back to the original payment method, such as your bank, card, PayPal balance, or PayPal account. If the seller does not help, go to the Resolution Center. Choose Report a Problem. Select the payment and choose the reason for the dispute. For example, you can report an item that did not arrive, an item that was not as described, an unauthorized transaction, or a billing problem. Follow the steps on the screen and submit the case. If you cannot solve the issue with the seller, PayPal says you have 20 days to escalate the dispute to a claim, where PayPal reviews the case and decides the outcome. So, to keep it simple, sellers can refund from Activity, then issue a refund. Buyers can request a refund from the seller first, then use the Resolution Center if the issue is not solved. And that's how you refund money on PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.